Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hard reset. You can troubleshoot most ITV not working issues on your Now TV box or Smart Stick by performing a hard reset. You can do so on screen through the advanced system settings. On one end, you can also fix ITV Hub not working on Now TV problems by pressing the reset button on your player.
Let's help you make your mark.
There's a few things you can try to resolve the issue. Clear app data. Restart your device if you are viewing on a mobile or tablet. Clear your cache and cookies if you are viewing on our website. Restart your router. Unplug it. Power it off for 30 seconds and then turn it back on.
Let's help you make your mark.
Once you're in the app, press the down key to access the My ITV section. Click on Sign In, and you'll be presented with a 6-digit code. Head to itv.com/TV on a PC, Mac or on your phone. If you're signed in on that device, you'll see a screen asking you to enter the code on your TV.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are a few reasons why your download may have failed. Poor Wi-Fi connection. You can only download shows when you're connected to Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi connection is poor, or you lose Wi-Fi completely and try to download on 3G, 4G, your download will fail. Lack of storage on your device.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Update pre-installed apps on your Android TV. Select apps, right pointing arrow Google Play Store, right pointing arrow settings, right pointing arrow auto update apps, right pointing arrow auto update apps at any time. Select Google Play Store, right pointing arrow settings, right pointing arrow auto update apps, right pointing arrow auto update apps at any time.
Take our lead.
All the ITV shows you want to watch anytime, anywhere. Stream live TV or catch up on your favorite series like Love Island and Family Guy on demand. It's all there for you to view, for free. Watch TV live or catch up with Top Telly on ITV Hub, your personal TV player.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Navigate to the Samsung Smart Hub. Navigate to the Apps area. Press and hold the Select button on the ITV Hub app and a sub-menu will appear. Select Update Apps, and if an update for ITV Hub is available, select it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.